Okay, we're just walking back to our site. Over there's the library. Oh, there's Chris. And just kind of going up this path. So these are also the very popular like chalet bungalows that they have on offer, but there's many nice paths to be walking in this camp, and I'll show you the clock tower just up the way. Alright, so we're just come up the path a little bit, and over here is this little garden area and the clock tower. Oops. But that's a little cafes. Here we go. We're going back to our site and car now, and we're going out on a game drive. Woo! Okay, I'm just doing a quick little video just to scan. This is like one of the main eating areas down here. All sorts of restaurants, ice cream, soft serve. There's a butchery over there. And then this is like the park's shop. So they have a big shop here with like all sorts of stuff. We got ice cream yesterday. So, a lot of things.